Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are checking out one of the hottest budget EVs 2025, the BYD Dolphin. This car has been making headlines because it combines modern styling, solid driving range, and great safety features, all for way less money than a Tesla. So let's take a full tour, starting with the exterior and then moving step by step inside. The first time you see the BYD Dolphin, it's feel compact but super modern. Up front, it's got slick LED headlights with DRLs, and since it's electric, the grills is closed off for better aerodynamics. From the side, you notice smooth body lines and sporty looks alloy wheels, and the back there a full with LED light bar that gives a premium vibe. Now about size, the Dolphin measures about 4.29 meters long and 1.77 width and 1.57 tall with a 2.7 meters wheelbase. That makes it bigger than most hatchbacks, so it's got a good road presence, but it's still small enough to handle city traffic easily. So overall, the Dolphin looks stylish, aerodynamic, and practical for every use. Let's hop inside and see what is offer. Inside the cabin feel fresh and well put together. The dashboard uses soft touch materials and the centerpiece is a 20.8-inch rotating touchscreen. Yep, you can flip it between portrait and landscape mode. In front of the driver, you got a digital cluster showing speed, range, and navigation. The seats are comfortable and with the flush floor design and presents an extra legroom space in descent. You adults can ride without any issue, and the trunk is plenty practical of daily use. Overall, it strikes a nice balance between comfort and smart use of space. Now it's see what kind of tech it's packed. The Dolphins comes loaded useful tech. You get Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Bluetooth, wireless charging, and even over there air updates. There are different drive modes to eco, normal, and sports, so you can switch things up depending on your mood. Great for tech lovers, but just as important as tech is safety, let's check the next. BYD really landed into safety with this car. You get ABS with EBD, traction control, stability control, and regenerative braking as standard. There are multiple airbags front, side, and cushion, plus rear parking sensor and 360-degree cameras. It's also come with advanced driving assistant features, lane keep assistant, lane departure warning, forward collision warning, automatic emergency braking, and adaptive cruise control. The body itself is reinforced with high strength steel to better handle impacts. So the Dolphin may be affordably, but it doesn't cut corners on safety. Now let's talk about how it actually drives. The Dolphin offers two battery options. First, 14.9 kilowatt with about 314 km of range, and second, 16.4 kilowatt with up to 427 km of range. Power depending on which version you get. The base model makes 95 horsepower, perfect for city driving. The top version makes 204 horsepower and does 0 to 100 km in just 7 seconds. Pretty quick for a budget EV. Solid numbers about charging speed matters too. Let's look at that. With a fast DC charger, you can go from 30% to 80% in about 35 minutes. Using a standard home AC charger takes longer, but overnight charging is super convenient for most people. That makes the Dolphin practically for both daily commute and road trips. Now let's see what it costs. The BYD Dolphin start at around $30,000 in the US market equivalent. It's already on sales in Europe, UK, and Latin America, and BYD is slowly rolling out to more regions. At the price, it competes directly with other affordable EVs like the MG4 and Nissan Leaf. So that the full breakdown of the BYD Dolphin, a budget EV that looks sharp, drives well, keeps you safe, and doesn't crush your wallet. Now, I want to hear from you. If you had $30,000, would you go for the BYD Dolphin, or would you save up a little more for something like a Tesla or a Hyundai? Drop your thought in the comments below. And if you want affordable EVs, check out my video on the top 5 budget EVs of 2025. Leave the link in the description. If you found the review helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more.